Hi there. So we have added this amazing new feature in which you can add users to your membership manually. So how to use that? Of course, first thing first, you need to have a membership area created, right? So once you have your membership area created, once you have your course created, the next thing that you need to do is, uh, you need to have your bundle settings ready, right? So you will find the tutorials in the FlexiFunnel membership tutorials, right? That your bundle is ready and the bundle is ready to be sold, so it is connected with a product. So I hope that all these settings you are already aware of. If not, please go ahead and watch that how to create a membership course inside FlexiFunnels, right? So you will find all the trainings. Now once you have all these prerequisites all set, right, all that you need to do is inside your membership area you need to click on my members, and over here you need to click on create a member, right? Now give it a name. All right, let's say I wanna give it on my email id, right? madipreneur@gmail.com. This is a demo membership that we have created, by the way, and let's suppose the password is going to be 123456, right? And let's say so now once you are aware of the bundle settings and stuff, once you are aware of how to create a membership course, you would be aware of the products and other things, right? So once you have the bundle, once you have the product that you have created inside the product settings, so click on, let's suppose, one of the products. You can click on both, but I want to take it one by one. So first let me click on just first product, and let me click on create member. All right, so this is the course name, great. And we have these multiple modules, right? Inside the pricing settings we have two bundles, and inside the first bundle, if you will look at it, we have all these lessons that are enabled, and these are some of the other modules in which the lessons are not enabled. All right, and if I look at, go to the second bundle, you will look at it that in the second bundle the other modules are enabled, right? So we have as of now given the membership access of the first bundle. Right, now let's go ahead and have a look at the my email. All right, and let's see that if I go to the updates, you will see that we have this email that has come over there, right? Congratulations, welcome to grade 1, which was the name of the product, right? And over here I can find my access, right? I have the login URL, I have the email ID, all right, and also I have the password. So your customer will receive the access immediately. Let me click on sign in. At the same time, don't worry about this, that right now the email is coming from FlexiFunnels, hello@flexifunnels.com. Don't worry about it. In just this week, by the time you would be watching this video, you don't even need to bother about it. The email would be coming from the sender information that you will be adding over here, right? Whatever name and email ID you will be adding over here, it will be, the email will be coming from here. And even right now the email is going from this sender information only when the product, when your membership course is getting sold, when somebody is paying for it. Right now only when you are adding the members manually, the email is going from this, but by the time you will watch this video, this will be sorted. Okay, don't worry about it. So let me click on my course as a member. So inside my membership area, let me go ahead and click on the let's say the first lesson, the first video. That's a really bad looking impression of mine, but that's the first lesson. And over here the second lesson, I can go ahead and see all the lessons over here. Click on the play video, right? So we have all the videos over here, and you will see that I can see all the other videos over here. Let's suppose if I want to look at this video, and we did not give access to, I believe, these modules. So do you see that these modules are not enabled? Now just in case, now what you want to do is you also want to give your customer the access to these modules, right? You can go back to my members, click on edit. You can update their password just in case, right, if they reach out to you, or just want to enable their membership, or just in case you want to disable their membership, you can do that. Click on update, and just in case you want to simply go ahead and delete them from the membership, you can also do that, right? And now your members will be able to see the other part of the course as well, because now their membership has been enabled, right? So just in case you want to, sell your program in a way in which you have multiple bundles, you have divided your course into multiple portions, and you just want to give access to this part of the course in the first bundle, and the other part of the access in the second bundle. I mean, you can play around with that. We have that in the bundle settings, we have that in the videos in which we have explained how to create membership, so that is a different thing, right? So right now we were not able to play these videos, but now you will be. So inside this member access itself, you will be able to play these videos as well, which are now a part of you know um, this particular access, right? So all these videos are now available. At the same time, the videos that were a part of the previous bundle, they are also available. So now your customers have access to both of them, right? So that's simply how you can click on my members and give access to your customers, and you're good to go, right?